Samsung is preparing to launch 3 new tablets later this year: the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, Galaxy Tab S11, and the highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. While the Lite and standard models follow familiar design cues, the Ultra variant introduces a surprising shift that could spark debate among fans: a downgrade in the front-facing camera setup. Magnifying glass tilted left first live image confirms a major change. A newly surfaced live image from Safety Korea's certification database reveals the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra model SM-X936N with ultra-thin bezels and a waterdrop-style notch. Unlike its predecessors, the Tab S8 Ultra, Tab S9 Ultra, and Tab S10 Ultra, which featured dual 12MP front cameras, the S11 Ultra appears to house just one selfie camera. This change marks a departure from Samsung's previous strategy of offering both wide and ultra-wide lenses for enhanced video calls and content creation. The smaller notch may improve screen immersion, but it also raises questions about versatility and performance. Camera with flash: why Samsung might be making this move. There's speculation that Samsung could be replacing the dual setup with a single, higher-resolution ultra-wide camera. This would allow users to digitally crop in for standard wide shots without losing image quality, a smart compromise if executed well. Additionally, fans are hoping for the return of 4K 60 frames per second video recording from the front camera, a feature last seen on the Tab S8 Ultra but missing from the Tab S9 Ultra and Tab S10 Ultra. If Samsung upgrades the sensor, this capability could make a comeback, offering smoother and sharper video for creators and professionals. Brain performance and specs expectations. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is expected to pack the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. It will likely run Android 16 with One UI 8.0 and feature an 11,374 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support. Design-wise, the tablet retains its premium build with rounded corners, thin bezels, and S Pen support, while the rear houses a dual-camera setup with larger rings, echoing the design language of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Calendar launch timeline. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Tab S11 series at a September 2025 Unpacked event, alongside other flagship devices. With the Plus model reportedly scrapped, the focus will be on the standard and ultra variants, each targeting different user segments. Brain final thoughts. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra's shift to a single front-facing camera may seem like a step back, but if Samsung compensates with better optics, smarter software, and higher video capabilities, it could still deliver a top-tier experience. Whether you're a content creator, remote worker, or tablet enthusiast, this leak gives us plenty to look forward to and a few things to question.